आज आपण बघणार आहोत सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल. वर्ग 9 मध्ये आपण काही डेफिनेशन बघितले आहे. सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स हियर. अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन हियर, for a given corresponding between vertices of two triangle, if their corresponding sides are in proportional and their corresponding angles are congruent, then given triangles are similar. Example, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, corresponding between the vertices, let's suppose ABC corresponding PQR. These are nothing but the corresponding between their vertices. You already learned in 9th class. According to this correspondence here, if AB divided by PQ, which is equal to BC divided by QR, which is equal to AC divided by PR, and their corresponding angle A congruent to angle P, angle B congruent to angle Q, angle C congruent to angle R, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here three sides, corresponding sides are in proportion and three corresponding angles are incongruent. So there are 6 components is there. It is not necessary to show all these 6 components are either proportional or congruent. Any 3 component can be proportional or congruent, then we can say that the given two triangles may be similar. So first test is AAA test. Okay. For 1 correspondence between vertices of two triangle. If all angles of first angle are congruent with the corresponding angles of other triangle, then given triangles are similar. Example, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. ABC 1 1 corresponding with PQR है, ये अपन निवडले. तर 3 अँगल, फक्त 3 अँगल, अँगल ए कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू अँगल पी, करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल्स आर angle B congruent to angle Q, angle C congruent to angle R. If these 3 corresponding angles are congruent, then triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So this is the one of the test. Second test is very easy. That is nothing but a A test. Now A test is nothing but here, for a 1 1 corresponding between the vertices of two triangle, if any two angles of first triangles are congruent with the corresponding angles of the other triangle, then given triangle are said to be similar. Okay, so in this case, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if ABC corresponding to PQR, angle A congruent to angle P and angle B congruent to angle Q. If only two angles, corresponding angles are congruent, then also triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, this is the second test here. Now third test here. Third, there is again common sense here. The test is yes A yes test. Now SS test is that for 1 1 corresponding between the vertices of two triangles, if any two sides of first triangle are proportional with corresponding sides of other triangle, and angle include by them are congruent, then two triangles are similar. Again you can take the same example here, and corresponding is like this: triangle ABC and triangle PQR. ABC 1 1 corresponding PQR, any two sides, suppose I take a side AB, suppose this triangle here ABC and another triangle PQR, like this. These are the corresponding side, means AB divided by PQ. Second side I consider this BC upon QR. And angle include by them. Now if you consider these two sides, then angle include by them, that is B. Here include by the side, it is angle B congruent to angle Q. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So this is the third test here. Similarly, we can write a fourth test. The name of the test is yes test. Fourth test. Okay. Again here, the This sentence is common here for 1-1 correspondence between vertices of two triangle. If all sides, all sides of first triangle are congruent, are proportional with the corresponding sides of other triangle, then given triangles are similar. Again the same example I take here. In triangle ABC and PQR, ABC 1-1 corresponding PQR, if AB and PQ, these are the corresponding side, AB, PQ, according to this correspondence, which is equal to second BC corresponding side QR, third AC corresponding side PR. If these all three sides, corresponding sides, are proportional, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Property is of similarity of triangles. What are the properties here? First property is that reflexivity. What is that here? प्रत्येक ट्रायंगल हा स्वतःशी सिमिलर असेल. एव्हरी ट्रायंगल is similar to itself. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle ABC. दूसरा है symmetry. This is the property. If first triangle ABC similar to second triangle PQR, then second triangle PQR similar to first triangle ABC. पहिला ट्रायंगल दुसरा ट्रायंगलला सिमिलर असेल तर दुसरा ट्रायंगल पहिल्या ट्रायंगलला सिमिलर असतो. तिसरी प्रॉपर्टी आहे ट्रान्झिटिव्हिटी. शॉर्टमध्ये आपण लक्षात ठेवायचं RST. ट्रान्झिटिव्हिटी. इफ ट्रायंगल ABC पहिला ट्रायंगल सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल PQR दुसरा ट्रायंगलचे सिमिलर झाला अँड ट्रायंगल PQR सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल XYZ दुसरा ट्रायंगल हा तिसऱ्या ट्रायंगलशी सिमिलर असेल तर देन पहिला ट्रायंगल आणि तिसरा ट्रायंगल हे एकामेकाशी सिमिलर असतील किंबहुना ते तीनही ट्रायंगल एकमेकाशी सिमिलर असतात. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3. इन adjoining figure angle ABC is 75 degree is given, angle EDC is 75 degree given. State which of the two triangles are similar. You have to select the two triangle here. Solution. I select the triangle ABC and triangle EDC. You select the triangle such that corresponding should be match. I take the corresponding ABC corresponding EDC. शक्यतो जसं तुम्ही नाव लिहाल तशीच करस्पॉन्डिंग घ्या किंवा करस्पॉन्डिंग जे तुम्हाला चूज करायची आहे तसंच इथं नाव लिहायचं. आपण एका ट्रायंगलचं नाव 6 प्रकारे लिहू शकतो, परंतु करस्पॉन्डिंगनुसारच नाव लिहायचं. सोपं जातं आहे. हिअर अँगल ABC कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू अँगल EDC हे दोन्ही करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल आहेत, बी अँगल आणि डी अकॉर्डिंग दिस करस्पॉन्डन्स. दोन्ही अँगल बी आणि अँगल डी आहे हे 75चे दिलेले आहे आणि म्हणून ते कॉन्ग्रुएंट होतील. ओके, बोथ ऑफ 75 डिग्री. ठीक आहे. अँगल सी कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू अँगल सी. ठीक, हे कॉमन अँगल आहे. ट्रायंगल ABCचा अँगल सी आणि EDCचा हे अँगल सी. दिस इज अ कॉमन अँगल and therefore we can write here common. Therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle EDC by AA test.